Hi everyone, Crafty Lori here, and I'm here to give you creative inspiration. And for today's video, I am going to color this KennyK digital stamp with some Copics or alcohol markers. And I'll also be using Spectrum Noir markers. And always remember when you're coloring with alcohol markers that your cardstock makes all the difference. And the cardstock I'm using today is Georgia Pacific cardstock. So I'm just going to start coloring here, and I will have this in fast motion, and I will add a little bit of music with it. But this is a very cute digital stamp from KennyK Digital Stamps, and unfortunately KennyK is no longer selling their digital stamps. But I had bought this one quite a while ago, and it's kind of a steampunk sexy girl type of image. So here I go, and I hope you enjoy. And remember, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and please subscribe. she is, all finished. I really enjoyed coloring this, and I did use some gel pens for the skinny parts and also for some accent coloring. Gel pen works great for that. And this is one of my first projects, my art projects that I've gotten into since I had my major life change. And if you don't know about that, I will have a link down below, and there will also be an end card that you can click on that tells you about my major life change. It's pretty interesting. But again, this was a digital stamp by KennyK Designs, and I just needed to get back into my artwork. I need to quit feeling sorry for myself. So there she is, all colored up. And you know, if you want, comment down below if you'd like to see more of these coloring videos. And thanks for watching. Bye.